Okay guys, so this is the outcome of this wig. Like, yo, wow, like, hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. Hi, my name is Kiara and this is my channel. Hey Ki, there you go. If you are a current subscriber, hey you guys, welcome back. So yes, this is a 30-inch synthetic lace wig. I've seen it a couple times online, so I'm like, this will be real cute for what I'm trying to do this weekend, so let's try it. So I have this wig on right now. I'm actually going to take this off. It's glued down, so we're just gonna get right to it. So I just have like a damp towel and I'm just gently pulling the wig off. So this wig, I actually installed it with Got To Be glue, so it's not bold hold or anything, so it's not like damaging on my scalp or whatever. And it's still actually laid down pretty good. So I'm gonna reuse this cap. It may be tacky or ghetto or whatever, but this cap looks really good and I haven't had this wig on long at all. If you saw my last video, then you already know this wig. If you want to see any details about it, I'll have like the link like right here so you can look at this wig and see me install this one. All right, so out with the old and in with the new. So here is the wig. Like, I literally just got it from Amazon right now. And honestly, when dude was dropping it off, I'm like, where's my package at? Because I wasn't expecting this long of a box, period. Like, this box is huge. I'm going to open this box really quickly. And let's see what it do. Like, I heard really good things about this wig and I saw like a couple of reviews, so I hope they wasn't lying, because if this wig not giving what it's supposed to give, I really can't achieve my look for what I'm trying to do this weekend. Here we go. So this is the Freetress equal part lace front wig, and it is shifting or rotating. So I'm just gonna do a middle part, like straight down the middle. Yeah, and it is in the color 1B. And is this 30 inches? I thought it was 30. Is this 30 inches? This better be 30 inches. This is the hair. Before washing the hair, brush all the tangles out. There's like some instructions about the wig, which I'm really not gonna read. I'm just trying to make sure that this is 30 inches because I don't need no short wig for this weekend, like, period. Whatever. It better be 30 inches. I'm going, oh, it's long. This 30 inches. It gotta be. Okay, so let me take the little net out and let's just fully look at this wig. Take that out. Oh, this is pretty. It has like a nice little feel to it. Like, it has like a nice little luster to it. Like, look at that. It's not like shiny, like a synthetic shiny. You know, like when it's too shiny, you have to put like some dry shampoo or like some baby powder to get that shine out. It's not like that. It's like nice and has like a good little luster. So this looks like virgin hair. This is nice quality for a synthetic wig. Like, I'm impressed thus far. Look at this. Good. Subscribe to my channel, y'all. Just subscribe right now. So I forgot to mention in the video that the lace is tinted. Look at that lace. This wig did not really shed at all. Like, I was just really just brushing out the hair just to get a feel for it, but so far I'm very impressed. And I also want to say with this wig, you can add heat to it. It's heat friendly up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so that is amazing. Look at, like, I'm just really impressed by just looking at it. Like, look at that. Look at that body. Freetress, y'all know what y'all doing. Like, look at that body. Look at that. Wow. Let's put this bad boy on, shall we? Oh, and it has like 2 clips up here, but I'm not going to use these clips. I'm just going to gel it down. And I do use the clip in the back just for like some extra support, just to make me feel better, honestly. Okay, let's see. So I do want to pluck it a little bit more just to make it look, dang, I pulled the earring out. I do want to pluck it a little bit more just to make it look more natural. So let me do that first. And then I want to put the wig back on. But yeah, just from just looking at it, like this looks really good. Like it's not too thin, it's not like too heavy, it's very, very lightweight. Like I honestly do not feel like I have a wig on. Like this feels really, really good. And I didn't even like cut the lace yet. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay, so I went ahead and plucked the wig off camera and it looks so much better. I personally like it. So now it is time to just cut this lace and just glue this wig down. So as you can see, I'm just trying to put the hair back as much as I can so it won't get in the way. But it's like 30 inches of hair, so it's going to get in the way. So for this part, it was actually kind of hard cutting the lace. Like I could not cut the lace on myself. Like I literally, as you'll see, I'm going to have to take this wig off and cut the lace. Like I could not see it. It was so weird. So here I am just cutting the lace. I'm cutting it like in a, I'm cutting it like in a very small pieces and then doing like the zigzag motion because I don't want like a straight cut like right across. Like that is not natural whatsoever. When I tell y'all this is literally like one of the easiest installs I've ever done, like it's so simple. So I cut the lace off and now I'm just trying the wig on just to see how it lay, you know, how it feels, how it fits, all of that before I actually glue it down. Okay, so this part, it looked a little wild, a little ratchet or whatever, but I'm using my phone because I usually have like a mirror up when I'm doing like hair stuff, and I didn't have the mirror in the room when I was filming. And I do have like the view on my camera, but it was just hard for me to see everything up close. So yeah, I'm just using my iPhone and just adding the got to be glue gel like all on the hairline just to keep the wig cap down. I don't know why I added so much glue during this installation. I don't know what was going on with me, but yeah, it's a lot of glue, but it's okay. This wig did not move, it did not go anywhere, and it's still on my head like as I'm editing this video. Like this wig did not go anywhere. Now you already know what's next. Like I don't even have to say no more. You already know what's the next step. So with all that glue, you know I have to use my nice little blow dryer. And the key for the blow dryer is to make sure that the glue goes to a tacky, clear look. Like it's not supposed to be white. Like it can be a little white if you rush it, but it should not be this white when you're actually applying your wig. So you're just having your blow dryer, like you can have it like on low or medium high or whatever, and just make sure you get that glue clear. Now it is time to put this wig on. So you're just applying the wig like directly onto that glue, like right off your hairline, and I'm like right on the glue. So you see I'm just patting it down, just pushing it down. Like it's a middle part. I don't have any baby hairs or anything like that, so I really don't have to do too much. Now you already know you have to secure the wig, so I'm just gonna go in and add some got to be glue, the holding spray, and I just want to put that along the hairline. And you see I'm using my rat tail comb just to press that in. Like we do not need any situation where your wig is gonna come off. So after we done applied that freeze spray, you know we have to tie it down to make sure that we are melting and securing that lace. It's really that simple, y'all. We let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. Now it's time to reveal this wig. Oh my goodness, look at this, y'all. Look at it. Like this wig looks so good. I actually accidentally like glued a little bit too much, but it's okay. It's okay. Oh wow. So this is the outcome of this wig. Like, y'all. Wow, like, wow, this is a synthetic 30-inch lace front wig, and just look at the luster, look at the body, like, look at this. Y'all, I am thoroughly impressed. Money well spent. Like, this is perfect for the weekend. This is perfect for just like on the go, like in and out, like you have like a particular look that you want to achieve, like this is ideal. Like I'm so happy with this purchase. I cannot wait to take some pictures in this wig. So do not forget to follow me on my socials, follow me on my Instagram, follow me on my TikTok. Like everything is in the description below. But I think that this is a good wig for just like special occasions, jumping out. It is synthetic, so you know you can't wear this over in time. I would not like recommend like sleeping in this wig. Just take it off. And another thing I do want to say about this wig, I don't know, it's because I plucked it too much, but it is shedding, but that's okay because it's not like I invested a lot of money with this wig, so it is shedding. But again, I don't know if it's my fault because I over plucked it, or if it's like the wig and it's just shedding like crazy. So I do notice like a few hairs here and there. Well, I do notice some shedding. So point blank period, this wig is shedding, but I don't know if it's because I pulled too many strands out of the lace. I don't know about that. And then with it, by it being synthetic, you do need to keep a brush on hand because it does just like clump up a little bit. But as soon as you brush it, you see it's just going right through, like the hair is going right through the brush. So just always keep a brush on you with this hair. But other than that, you'll be good to go. I'm gonna like stand up so you guys can see like the full length of the wig, so you can see. Okay, so this is me standing up. This is the wig right here. I am 5'6", so this is what the wig will look like if you're 5'6". This is what it looks like right here. And then if I stand up, like just to turn around, this is what the little wig looks like in the back. And look how it's just swaying. It's not stiff nowhere like stiff wear. It's not stiff. Like look at this wig, y'all. You see that? This wig is fire. So I'll have like all the information in the description box below. This video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. There's nothing against sponsored stuff. I'm just saying that I bought this wig. That's all. But yeah, that is the end of this video. If you've enjoyed it, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys on the very next video.